Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to explore friends on LinkedIn, or how you can find more connection on LinkedIn. So just open the LinkedIn app first, and then here you at the home page, you just need to go to the My Network menu at the bottom. Okay, here you can see there is this is the network page on LinkedIn. And then if you want to explore or find more friends, you just need to scroll down, and then you can see the suggestion based on your profile. For example, this is the people you may know from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. This is my colleague, my college. So if I maybe the app just suggesting if I knew this person, and then if you want to add them, just click on connect here. Okay, you can see, and also people Indonesia are following. Okay, just like that you can see, and then explore the other LinkedIn users here. Okay, so just like that, that is how to explore friends or find more people on LinkedIn. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.